Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. So, we were discussing uh, direct speech and indirect speech in the last class, isn't it? So, we will continue that. Okay, in the last class, we discussed the change of tense. If the reported speech is in present tense, how it will change when we convert into indirect speech, isn't it? Today we are going to discuss what are the changes coming when if the reported speech is in past tense. Okay, today we are going to learn that, and in addition we also learn the auxiliary verbs like can, will, how it will change. Okay, so first one, simple past. How the tense simple past changes into past perfect in indirect speech. Okay, so listen. Simple past into past perfect. If the reported speech is in simple past, it will change into past perfect. Okay, look at the example. Harry said he returned at noon. This is the sentence is in, sorry, the reported speech is in simple past. Returned. Okay, Harry said he returned at noon, and that will change into past perfect. Okay, simple past will change into past perfect. Harry said that he had returned at noon. Okay, we added the auxiliary verb had. Okay, Harry said that he had returned at noon. So simple past changes into past perfect. Now the next one, past continuous. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Okay, past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Example, he said, all were laughing at the teacher. Okay, he said, all were laughing at the teacher. So now the tense is in past continuous, and how it changed? It changed into past perfect continuous. He said that all had been, okay, all had been laughing at the teacher. Okay, so past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Okay, simple past changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Okay, these are the main change tense that comes in direct speech. Okay, and past perfect. Next one is past perfect. There will be no change. Past perfect will change in, we can write in past perfect itself. Past perfect continuous also in indirect speech we can write, we can use the same tense. Okay, there is no change while it is past perfect and past perfect continuous. Direct speech, when we convert a sentence in direct speech, if the reported speech is past perfect, in indirect speech also you can write in past perfect. Okay, there is no change for past perfect and past perfect continuous. You have to write in those tenses itself. Okay, so it is not commonly used in English. So this is up to this past continuous. Okay, see the four divisions in present tense and simple past and past continuous. Okay, these are the changes that comes when we change a direct speech into indirect speech. Next we want to look how the auxiliary, modal auxiliaries like can, will, may, etc. will change. Okay, can become could. Okay, you have to write those past verbs when we convert it into indirect speech. Okay, can become could, will become would, may become might, and shall become should. So I'll give you an example. The teacher says Harry can pass. Harry can pass the exam. Okay. How can we convert that? The teacher said that Harry could pass. Okay, the teacher said that Harry could pass. Okay, so when we convert the modal auxiliary or the auxiliary of can, may, will, shall, we have to use its past form while we are converting into indirect speech. Okay, we can say next word may. The teacher said Harry may pass. Okay, that may become, when we convert into indirect speech, the teacher said that Harry might pass. Clear? The next one. The teacher said Harry will pass. Okay, the teacher said that Harry would pass. So when we convert these words into these tenses or words into indirect speech, we use its past form. Okay, can becomes could, may become might, will becomes would, shall becomes should. Okay, this is the example. The teacher said Harry will pass. The teacher said that Harry would pass. Okay, these are the changes come when we use these words. And the next I told you, when we convert direct speech into indirect speech, the pronouns also changes. The pronouns and the time phrases will also change. Okay, now the next one we are going to discuss is change of pronouns. How pronouns will change. Okay, so change of pronouns. In direct speech and in indirect speech. Direct, indirect. Okay, I. This will change according to the pronoun in the reporting verb. Okay, the pronoun in direct speech will change according to the pronoun in the reporting verb. Okay, I become he or she. Then you become he or she, or sometimes become I. If he says to me, then for example, Harry said to me, you are good. He said to me, and when I say this to another person, I can say that Harry said to me that I was good. Okay, then there you have to use I. That's what I told you. The pronouns will change according to the pronoun in the reporting verb. Okay, this will change according to the pronoun in the reporting verb. And your become his, her, my, like that. And we become they. For example, he said we are playing. Okay, when we convert that sentence into indirect speech, we can say that he said that they are playing. So we becomes they. My becomes his or his, her, etc. Okay, this is my pen. Okay, he said this is my pen. So can we convert that? He said that this is, he said that is his become his or her. So pronouns will change according to the pronoun in the reporting word. Okay. Next we have to keep in mind is change of time phrases. I told you. Okay, change of time phrases. Now become then. Okay. This is not time phrase, but this will change as that. This will change as that. This is my pen become that is his pen. Okay. These become those. Okay. Then tomorrow. Tomorrow become the next day. The next day. Today. Today become that day. Today become that day. Yesterday. Yesterday become the previous day. Yesterday become the previous day. Last night. Last night become the night before or the previous night. Or the previous night. The previous night. Clear? Then here become there. Okay? Ago become before. Okay? So when we use these words in direct speech, in indirect speech it will change according to this. Now become then, this, that, these, those, tomorrow, the next day, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day or the day before, last night become the night before or the previous night, here become there, here becomes there, ago becomes before. Okay, ago becomes before, now becomes there. Okay, so these are the change of time phrases or the words that show nearness. Here, okay, the, this, that. These are the words that shows nearness and it will change like that, those, there, like that. The time phrases like now, tomorrow, today, that will change like then, the next day, the previous day, like that. Okay, so these are the changes of pronouns and time phrases you have to keep in mind while converting a direct speech into indirect speech. Now look at some more examples. Okay, first sentence, John said Ali may come tomorrow. Okay, John said Ali may come tomorrow. So what it is indirect speech. What is the indirect speech? John said that Ali might come the next day. So may become might. Okay. Tomorrow becomes the next day. May becomes might and tomorrow becomes the next day. Okay. So may, it changed into its past form and the time phrase tomorrow changed as the next day. Okay, here second sentence, he said, I have seen this girl. I have seen this girl. And what is its indirect speech? He said that I, the pronoun I changed as he. Now, which is the tense? present perfect. Have seen. Present perfect. It becomes past perfect. Okay. Have become had. Okay. So present perfect becomes past perfect. He said that he had seen. This becomes that. This becomes that. He said that he had seen that girl. Okay, so look at the changes. Pronoun changed. I becomes he. Tense changed. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Have seen becomes had seen. This becomes that. This changed as that. He said that he had seen that girl. Clear? Third sentence. Hari said to me. Okay, Hari said to me, I will see you this evening. I will see you this evening. And how can we change into indirect speech? Hari said to me that I refer to Hari. Okay. I become he. He will. Will changed as would. Would see me. Here the you. You means I. Okay. If Hari says to me, I will see you this evening means he will see me this evening. Okay. You will see me this evening. So Hari said to me that he would see me. This becomes that evening. Clear? So I told you the pronoun will change according to the pronoun in the reporting verb. Okay, this is the pronoun in the reporting verb. Me becomes, that is, he is talking to me. So when he says to me, if he use you, that will change. Okay, as me. Clear? Hari said to me, I will see you this evening. So it will change as Hari said to me that he would see me that evening. This changed into that. Here the pronoun changed as me. Would. Will changed as would. Here the pronoun I became he. Okay. So these are the changes that comes when we convert a direct speech into indirect speech. Okay. So keep in memory that what are the rules to change a direct speech into indirect speech. This is all about statements or declarative sentence. If the reported speech and declarative sentence, we have to follow these kinds of rules. Okay. So this is all about how to change a statement or a declarative sentence into indirect speech. Okay. If the direct speech is in declarative sentence, you have to keep all these rules by changing into indirect speech. Okay. Thank you.